We are right here. We got a nice shortcut to position Sargo, and here is Buenos Aires. So approximately 45 minutes flight time. On the nav display you see the circle. That's the point I intend to make the farewell to the passenger. And then you see this arrow here. This is the descent point computed by the computer for the approach. What are we going to do afterwards? We are doing the approach briefing. So today it will be an approach via this Sargo arrival route coming to overhead the field. And then we will do an ILS approach on runway 11. And on the ground, this is runway 11 where we land. We will be able to leave latest here on the crossing runway and then taxiing to the apron.
Flight level 080 American 931.
Edelweiss 90.
Edelweiss 90, go ahead.
Radar contact for traffic spacing, turn right heading 290 for about 10 minutes. Then I will confirm vectors to our thoughts, your number 6 for approach.
Okay, right in heading 290, Edelweiss 90.
Heading 290.
Checked.
Number 6 for approach.
Edelweiss 90, descent flight level 80.
Descending flight level 80, Edelweiss 90.
80 blue, open
Checked.
descent.
Checked.
Perú 2428 está identificado, cruzando 5600 pies, continúe libre ascenso 320.
Libre ascenso para nivel 320, el Perú 2428.
Correcto. Go 7680, heading to our thought, Ezeiza 118.6, radar terminated.
Heading thought and call Ezeiza 1186, go 7680.
Edelweiss 90, descent flight level 70.
Descending flight level 70, Edelweiss 90.
70 blue.
Checked.
Speed brakes.
Checked.
American 931, for track correction, heading 90.
This one is ahead. This
Argentina
one most probably
1652,
also.
puede proceder a Torul.
A Torul 1652, gracias.
Maybe this one as well.
Yeah.
Edelweiss 90, you are number 4 for approach now. And for track correction, heading 280.
Okay, that's Cockpit, left and heading 280, Edelweiss 90.
280.
Checked.
50 de nivel, volando directo 6 a 19.
Edelweiss 90, maintain 70.
Maintaining 70, Edelweiss 90.
Smartbird 3392 está identificado
Residual
radar, cruzando
outlets.
50, continúe el ascenso, libre 310.
Okay, I see a traffic beam. It's this one. And the next one I see there. 10, 11 o'clock
Also
position.
inside, yeah.
Looks like it's turning. He's turning.
And we should be number next behind this aircraft.
Yeah, this one. So most probably we should be behind them.
Yeah.
Edelweiss 90, descent flight level 50.
Descending flight level 50, Edelweiss 90.
50 blue.
Checked.
35.5. Smartbird 3392.
3392, adelante.
6 a norte 135.5. 1280, buen día, está identificado,
Outstar.
cruzando 3600 pies, libre ascenso 340.
Libre 340, que tiene 1280. Aires, buen día, Austral 2611, cruza 216.
Edelweiss 90, resume navigation to Arsot.
Direct to Arsot, Edelweiss 90.
Affirmative, by your left, heading to Arsot, contact the SAISA 118.6, radar terminated.
Left direct Arsot, then the 1186, goodbye Edelweiss 90.
Bye.
Arsot Nev.
Checked. SASR Tower, good morning, Edelweiss 90, maintaining 50 on a left-turn direct Arsot.
Airways 90, buenos días, heading to Arsot 50, clear ILS, right runway 11, tuning to 1022.
QNH 1022 and we are clear TILS, runway 11.
Yes, clear ILS, right, report over Arsot, commencing the approach, leaving 50.
Okay, call you over at Arsot, Edelweiss 90.
Okay, das ist jetzt widersprüchlich.
Ja.
Kannst du sagen, wir sind schon 5000 unter QNH.
Ja.
And we're 5 miles out, American 931.
Also müssen wir jetzt maintainen 5000 bis Arsot.
Surface wind is calm, runway 11, clear to land.
Clear to land 11, American 931.
Clock start.
It's checked. Edelweiss 90, we are now over at Arsot, commencing the approach, runway 11.
Roger, 90, report 5 miles on final.
Call you 5 miles final, Edelweiss 90.
Any speed
Yes, and
restrictions?
reduce the speed, please.
Okay, good.
Okay, reducing speed now, Edelweiss 90.
Using speeds.
Checked.
Flaps 1.
Speed is checked, flaps 1.
Dann hätten wir QNH 1022 reading is 4950.
Same
Flight
on
slope
my
start.
side. Checked.
3000 is set.
Checked.
Speed brakes.
Checked.
Gear down.
American 931,
Pump check completed, MDA is
270.
270.
2175, 931.
Bravo,
Autopilot off.
informo el QNH 1022, notifiquen Arsot iniciando procedimiento. 1022, Arsot, iniciando procedimiento.
Flaps 3.
Speed is checked, flaps 3.
ZF speeds. Flaps full, speed managed.
Speed checked, flaps full, manage speed. Landing check is available.
Ja, kannst du mir noch increase the approach speed by 2 knots.
137 now.
Thank you. Coming stabilized.
Yeah, checked.
Landing checklist.
Landing all green. Edelweiss 90, 5 miles out.
Airways 90, surface wind is calm, runway 11, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 11, Edelweiss 90.
Okay, clear to land.
All lights are on.
Merci. Checked. Wing slightly from the right.
Checked.
Bravo Yankee Mike, notifique 5 millas en final. 5 millas en final notificaremos, Bravo.
Above 300 minimum 200 100 50 40 30 20 retard 5
Ground spoiler, reverse green.
Starting
Diesel.
braking.
Checked. $70 knots.
Checked.
Edelweiss 9 feet on the ground, 27 minutes, left 35.
Left 35, Edelweiss 90.
Yes, I'm going to run 12175.
12175, Edelweiss 90.
Reverse off.
Checked.
And to the left into 35. RAS checked.
Checked. Right side is clear.
Right side is clear.
Ground, good morning, Edelweiss 90, turning into runway 35.
On runway 305.
Edelweiss 906 ground, buenos días, taxiway Hotel, Delta position 9.
Hotel Delta position number 9, Edelweiss 90.
Hotel
Delta.
Delta position 9, yeah.
As briefed, yeah.
After landing.
Yeah.
Slightly from the right.
above 300 minimum 200 100 50 40 30 20 retard 5 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5. 100. 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 50, 400. 100 above. 300. Minimum. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, retard. 5.
hasta que la señal luminosa se apague. Aquí en Buenos Aires nos despedimos de ustedes esperando que este vuelo Edelweiss les haya gustado. En nombre de su comandante Patrick Picus y toda su tripulación, muchas gracias y hasta pronto. Les deseamos una muy buena estancia aquí en Buenos Aires. Muchas gracias y hasta pronto. Meine Damen und Herren, seien Sie herzlich willkommen in Argentinien. Wir bitten Sie, angeschnallt sitzen zu bleiben, bis wir unsere endgültige Parkposition erreicht haben und das Anschnallzeichen ausgeschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen vorsichtig, um das Herunterfallen von Handgepäck zu vermeiden. Und Ihr Telefon können Sie jetzt stellen.
After landing check is completed.
Thank you.
Superficie, Argentina 1464, listo a rodar.
Argentina 1464, rueden por Foxtrot hasta punto de espera de pista 11, allí con torre 118.6.
Foxtrot, punto de espera 11 y torre 18.6, hasta la vuelta, gracias.
Hasta la vuelta.
So position 9 is between the
Straight ahead and slightly to the right.
Superficie, buen día, el American November 824.
American November 824, superficie, buen día.
¿Qué tal? Estamos en la posición 5 para traslado a la posición asignada.
So I think 9 on the ground.
Recibido. Tienen aprobado el traslado de posición 5 a la 35 vía Juliet. Notifiquen estacionados.
Queda autorizado entonces de las 5 a la 35 vía Juliet, notifico estacionado American 824.
Correcto.
Looks clear on both sides.
Yeah, looks clear.
Marshal in sight. Left side clear.
Right side clear. APU bleed is on.
Parking brake set, pressure checked, APU is available.
Lima, superficie, buen día.
¿Qué tal? Buen día. Estamos en posición 16, necesito autorización para traslado a hangares.
Engine 3 off.
Recibido, mantenga posición, ya le confirmo para el traslado.
Mantiene posición el Foxtrot November Lima.
Engine. Okay, all set.
A la vuelta.
All set, thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Was a
for
nice
safe
landing.
operation.
Nice and
Thank you.
smooth.
Thank you.
Argentina 1500,
Thank you.
una vez que quede libre de tránsito de América.
All right, hi, welcome in Buenos Aires. Finally we did it. 14 hours and 50 minutes flight time. It was a nice approach behind an American 777 on runway 11. Luckily we did a nice landing, had a good short taxi to the terminal, and yeah, that was the first part of Just Planes. Maybe see you in the city or on our flight back to Zurich.